Hello everyone, my name is Prajakta Jadhav and here's a small video on formation of partnership. The partnership is an agreement in which two or more person has decided to carry out business and share profit and losses equally. To create a legal relationship, it is necessary to form a partnership agreement. The meaning for partnership. A partnership is a form of business where two or more people share ownership as well as their responsibility for managing the company and the income or losses the business generates. A partnership is formed when two or more entities agree to form that partnership, contribute assets to the partnership, and receive interests in the partnership. A partnership arises from the contract but not from the status. The intention of the partner is a question of partnership. The partners may exercise any of its power at time but must not exercise in the pursuance of illegal, fraudulent, or misconduct. The Indian Partnership Act 1932 came in existence on 1st of October 1932. The Partnership Act states the partnership is a relationship between two persons who have agreed to share profits of business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Any two or more person may form a partnership. According to the Companies Act 2013, the maximum number of 100 must not exceed in case of partnership, and minimum is two partners. The partnership agreement becomes the foundation to the basis on which it is based. It can be either written or oral. The written agreement is also known as partnership. Types of partners. Active or managing partner. The partner who takes participation in conduct of the business daily. This partner is also called as ostensible partner. Sleeping or dormant partner. He does not participate in conduct of the business, but he is bound by the conduct for all the partners. Nominal partner. He is a partner to the firm only by his name. In reality, he has no significant or real interest in the firm. Partner in profit only. The partner who agrees to share the profit but does not suffer loss. He is not liable for any liabilities in case of dealing with the third party. Minor partner. A minor cannot be a partner according to the Indian Contract Act, but he can still be admitted to get the benefit of all the partners given the consent. He will share the profit equally, but his liability will be limited in case of the loss of the firm. Partner of Istafel. It means when the person is not a partner but he has represented himself by conduct or words or no or words to another person to be a partner, then he cannot deny afterwards, even though he is not a partner, but he becomes a partner by holding out or by istupel. There are three types of partnership: general partnership, limited partnership, and joint ventures. In general partnership, each partner shares equally in the workload, liability, and profit generated and paid out to the partners. All partners are equally actively involved in the business operations. Limited partnerships allow outside investors to buy into the business but maintain limited liability and involvement based on other contributions. It is more complicated form of partnership which also has flexibility in terms of ownership and decision making. Short-term projects or alliances that bring together multiple partners for the project are typically structured as joint ventures. If the venture performs well, it can be continued as a general partnership, otherwise, it can be shuttered. The pros of partnership: fairly easy to set up and maintain over a time. Partners can pool their resources to fund the company's startup. Partners can share the workload and rewards of the business success. Being able to offer key employees the potential to one day become a partner in the business can be a big carrot that encourages them to stay long. Cons for partnership. Where more than one owner exists, there are bound to be differences of opinion that could threaten the business. Although partners split any profit the business generates, if the payout is not in sync with each partner's contribution to the company, disagreements can erupt. Unlike corporations, which help to shield the owners from liability, partnerships have both joint and individual liability. That is, all partners are liable for their own actions on behalf of company as well as the actions of their partners. Thank you. I hope this video was informative to you all. Please do like and share the video.